Hi, it's Mike Stevenson here. In today's video, we're going to take a look at a new feature in Turbo 360 where we're going to aim to help you tackle the problem of waste, technical debt, and other cost-related recommendations that we can help to make your Azure environment leaner and cost less and be more maintainable. So let's jump over to Turbo 360 and have a look at this in action. So first off, we're on the tree view in the Document 360 team. So with Turbo 360, one of our kind of key things is about this tree view on the left over here. And the idea is we want to decentralize cost management so we can let different teams and business units and areas look after their own resources. So I'm going to have a look at my Document 360 team over here, and we're going to have a look at these recommendations we've added. So I'm going to be over in the top right corner in the optimization section. Now, on the optimization screen, we've got all these tabs for the different types of optimization features, and this new one we've added is called Other Recommendations. So let's have a look at that. Okay, so here we're on the Other Recommendations screen, and you can see I've got a list of types of recommendations over on the left-hand side here. So each one's got a name, and we've got a bit of a description of what it is, and then we've got a list of how many resources would actually count in the query criteria for this particular recommendation. So what we'll be doing in the product over time is we'll be adding more types of recommendations in here. And the key thing is that all the recommendations we have here, all these resources, would be in the scope of the Document 360 team on the left. So, for example, the BizTalk 360 team, they would be looking at their resources, and they might have a completely different set of recommendations because it's all focused on the Azure resources that team's looking after. So what I can do on the recommendations here is I can go and click on one of these. So let's have a look at our NSGs. Now here I've got a list of network security groups that don't look like they're being used anymore. So I can see I've got a list of them. I can identify the subscription, the resource group, and I've got a couple of options here. So the first thing I can do is I can download this as Excel if I want to go and take this list and go and work through it outside of Turbo 360, or if I want to do some reporting on it, I can take that as an Excel. The other thing I can do is I can create a task here. So I can do a trigger notification. Here I'm going to trigger that to Azure DevOps in this case. So you could trigger a ServiceNow ticket or something else, but you can see here I've got an optimization recommendation. So it tells me the name of the recommendation and the particular resource, and I can click through and I can go and have a look at these if I need to. Now, if we look at some of the other recommendations I've got flagged up for this team, so I've got things like subnets that are not used anymore, so I've got quite a few of those. Front door WAF policies, so I might be paying for those resources. A subnet you're probably not really paying for. Front door policies you probably are. Things like logic app connections that don't have a logic app associated with them, so they're just lying around. At some point I'll be looking at trying to upgrade that environment or doing something with it, and I won't know what these belong to anymore, so we want to try and keep on top of keeping this clean. Get rid of all the waste we don't need. Things like public IP addresses. I've got a public IP address there that what we got for them, so we're probably paying a little bit of money for those. So again, if we can keep on top of cleaning them up. Now, with this particular feature, this is our first sort of release of this feature, and we're looking to just add a lot of recommendations to give people a lot of value really quickly. I think we'll do more evolving this feature as we go, seeing if we can help you do some of the cleanup from Turbo 360. I think will be quite cool. And I think we're also going to look to link to the cost of these resources in an upcoming release, but we want to kind of get the recommendations out there quickly so you can get a lot of cleanup going on, because I think even in our environment here, you can see we've got a few bits of stuff that we definitely need to clean up, and I can imagine a lot of customers probably have quite a lot here. I hope you found this video interesting, and this feature might be quite useful for a few people. Feel free to reach out if you'd like to have a demo in more detail or try this out. You can sign up online for a trial if you want to try it out. Thanks for listening.